As you can probably tell from my t-shirt, it is ice cream week, and this year all the recipes are inspired by my favorite breakfast foods. Wait, not all foods, also my favorite breakfast drinks. That's why today's is a delicious Mimosa Ice Cream. That's right, I am taking that delicious champagne and orange flavored drink, and I'm dumping it right into my ice cream maker. Well, with a few other ingredients too. Like all the ice creams, this one starts much the same. In a large kettle, pour your milk, cream, corn syrup. Yes, you need the corn syrup. Don't give me any comments about that. It makes your ice cream delicious. Sugar and salt. Place the kettle on the stove and bring it to a boil. Whisk it together just to make sure all your sugar is moistened with the liquid. While it's heating, you can stir together some milk and cornstarch. This is what is gonna thicken your ice cream because no, we are not using eggs, and yes, you are gonna love it anyway. Once your cornstarch and milk are smooth, just bring them over to the stove and place them close to the kettle. When it's at a boil, you wanna continue to boil it for a couple minutes. It's important, you are driving off some of that extra liquid. Just whisk it every so often. It shouldn't ever stick. I know you're gonna think it's going to, but it isn't. After a couple minutes of boiling, remove it from the heat and slowly whisk in your cornstarch slurry. Place it back over the heat until it is fully bubbling again. That means bubbles throughout the whole mixture. That way you know all your cornstarch is gonna be activated and thicken. Remove it from the heat and add your vanilla, orange extract, and some fresh orange zest. Yes, we are doing both the extract and the zest to give you the best orange flavor. Let that steep for about 30 minutes. That's just gonna ensure that that orange zest really infuses into the base. To get rid of any of the chunks of the zest, you just wanna strain it into the container you're gonna chill it in. I like to make all my ice cream bases about the day before, that way they have ample time to chill. Pop the lid on and place it into your fridge to chill for at least 4 hours. 8, I think, is even better. When you're ready to churn your ice cream, remove the ice cream base from the fridge. At this point, it should be well chilled. See, that's why we do this, well chilled. Add it right to your freezer component. Each maker is a little bit different, so follow your instructions. At this point, we are adding that delicious bubble side. Pour in some of the champagne. Yeah, that's right, we're actually boozing up this ice cream. I know, no one's complaining about that. If you wanna leave it out, you can, don't worry. It will be just as delicious. But not quite, because it won't have the champagne. So. Insert the paddle and then freeze it until it is well churned. For me, this usually takes about 25 minutes, but like I said, each maker can be different. Once your ice cream is churned, just remove it from the maker, clean off that paddle, which really is just for you. Let's be honest, it's a way for you to know if it's good. It's quality control. And then put it right into a container and freeze it for an additional 4 to 6 hours. I know a lot of you out there saying, wait a minute, I just made this ice cream, I waited, I churned it, and now I have to wait again. I know, but you know what, it's worth the wait because it's gonna be a little too soft at this point, and that is just gonna freeze it an additional amount of time. Once it is frozen, you can eat, drink, and enjoy this ice cream all you want, and why not with another glass of champagne? This is a delicious ice cream, and I know you're gonna enjoy it. If you wanna have your mimosa as a delicious ice cream next time, make sure to like, share, subscribe. For the recipe, click on the link in the description box, and come back again for another delicious ice cream inspired by a breakfast food.